Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the 4-hour trading strategy that I'm using in 2024. So without wasting any time, let's go straight into this. And before we do start, guys, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe, because there, I'm posting daily videos, daily uploads, tons and tons of value, daily, showing daily strategies, new strategies, entry methods. So without wasting any time, let's start with the gold. So what I like to do is, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, obviously we know this is a major time frame where the key levels are majority of the time respected. So okay, so one moment, let's just quickly draw these key levels here that just point out straight away to my eyes. If I draw, see this one, like this one better, see if there's anything in the past that can help out. Yep. Okay, so just one moment, like, yeah, this one's a good one, this one's good as well, and okay, perfect. Let's just start with these ones. Now if I just turn on this indicator here, so on our live sessions, as you can see, blue represents London session, red Asian session, and yellow New York session. But let's just turn this off so it's much clearer like this. Okay, so basically what is this strategy, right? So you mark your key areas, the most touches. So where you see, look, wick rejection 1, wick rejection 2, so we know this is a key area, and I'll just show how much this strategy has helped. And that was the reason I was on I was already on it actually. If I just get rid of this, okay, so if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I like to use small accounts, 10k accounts, as demonstration purposes. I do have a $200,000 profit funded account, and I just passed phase 1, phase 2, and waiting for a withdrawal on a 10k account. So with this account, I went into, there's a video on this, you can check it out. I went into, I believe, around 9% in drawdown, and with made a comeback from, I know it says 93760, it should be really saying 9150, and then it brought it all the way back up to 10.3. so I'm only looking for an extra 5% to pass phase 1. Now this is the same strategy I've used. So if I go to gold, but I don't trade gold, so I don't use this strategy on gold, but you can try this on the different pairs, whichever ones suit your personality. Okay, you can call it break and retest, support resistance, order blocks, whatever you want to call it. Now the reason for these zones, if you see rejection 1, rejection 2, and the circles are lagging, you get the idea. Now breakout, come back for a retest. This gives if you would have entered. I'll go over entries as well. I know you guys like it when I do the real chart breakdowns, going into entries as well, not just, there wouldn't be really a point showing the whole. Okay, so that would give a 1 to 10, but you want to, let's even go over stop losses. Where would my stop losses be? So if I had to pick stop loss, it would be below this candle wick here, just to stay safe, obviously below the key area, but yeah, through this candle wick rejection here, below that one. Okay, another one you can use as an entry, you could use this one. Why? Breakthrough, come back up to retest. Now with this one, you could even look for a small, let's see how much it would give us, maybe a 1 to 4, then we get a breakout again, then we get a retest. So if I just even clone this, put it down here, but this one would have been a big one. That's why you got to monitor your trade as well. Don't just walk away. I know set and forget is a good, it is good, but you gotta just stay on top of your trade as well. Don't just totally abandon it. I just move that down here. Okay, then we get a breakout, we wait for the retest. As you can see, at first it may have looked like there wasn't much opportunities, but 1 to 6 there, and then we get another opportunity here. Remember, this is still a key area. Then we get another opportunity here, so have a decent size stop loss, guys, don't make it too small. This would give it's lagging again, but I think almost 1 to 5 or 1 to 4. It's lagging when I try to bring it down. So we've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading opportunities. Why? Just because of this here, which create a key area, breakout, and this started this whole journey here. So 5 opportunities. And so okay, entries. So for entries, you break it down to a small time frame. I'll break this down. Okay, we've got this key area marked 2004.2, call it overall 200. Rejection, price breaks out and comes back. Now we know it's going to come out around this key area again, so where would you have entered from? Okay, if I bring this replay mode here, I will have to enter this. First of all, straight away guys, look at this, bullish on the 1 hour time frame, bullish rejection candle, a strong buy signal. That's alone enough. But if you did it when it's even smaller, again, bullish shooting star, engulfing candle on the 15 minutes, tweezer pattern, you know, equal lows, again tweezer. So I've just, you know, on all time frames. Now if you know if you like that guys, hit a like, do subscribe as well. Just guys dropping tons and tons of value. So that's the entry method there. We keep going on the 1 hour time frame. If I just speed this up, don't want to waste too much time because it's only 7 minutes into the video. So okay, next setup. Okay, price comes up, right? So this, which area was this again? Oh, okay, it's 2005. I don't let's see in the past, so I just can draw this accurately as possible. So 900, call it. Okay, price comes up, retests the candle, comes back out, and then you know, okay, now how would you take the entry? Now you got this equal high tweezer pattern here. You've got a evening star form, not the best evening star, but you got an evening star formed, and on even a small time frame, if you look here, you got 2 evening stars. So perfect, even a stronger sell signal. So now this strategy guys, if you let's work it out, right? If I go to funding pips, so I was down I would say about 8.5%. I just had 1.5% left to blow the account. This strategy brought me back out of drawdown. Not only that, back into profit, 10,300. Now I'll need a remaining 5%, so I'm going to keep this account going. I'll even show my withdrawal on the other account, funded account, which is the small account which I passed on here on YouTube. So hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Take care, and I'm out.